At that time, one boy brought a shampoo and then he poured it in the cap of it and said, if you are not, saying this word, then you have to drink this. My name is Cecil Selvakumar. I was born in a Christian family and I was brought up in a Christian faith. But when I was small itself, I wanted to study in MCC. That was one of my desires. And but I was a failure in college. I did my PUC and I could not get through. So I had a big struggle. And somehow, I wanted to study in MCC, and my daddy, he took me to one FMPB camp. And there we met Brother Patrick uncle. And he said that is not at all a problem. I can put you at MCC, and a lot of professors were there in that camp. So he got me introduced to those professors. That's how I got a seat miraculously by God's grace at MCC in 1979. So when I went into the campus, I could see a lot of ragging going on, and that was very new to me. And I was put up in a hall called Bishop Heber Hall. So I joined Bishop Heber Hall, and they had given me room number 58 was given to me. So I was very happy, and but immediately in the evening, ragging was going on. So every junior had to take part in that ragging. So I had to go, and I was there in that ragging. And they asked me to tell all kinds of bad words. Being a Christian, committed my life to Christ when I was young. So I didn't want to say that word. So I said, sorry sir, I cannot say that. Because I have accepted Jesus as my Savior. So I cannot say that. And there was a lot of pressure given to me. And a lot of people were around me. And they said, have you ever tasted grapes? I said, yes, I have tasted grapes. Have you tasted Tambram grapes? I said, no, I have not tasted Tambram grapes. Then there was a neem tree was close by. They asked me to climb the tree. And so I climbed the tree, and there was a lot of neem fruit were hanging there. They said, this is Tambram grapes. You have to pluck it. So I plucked a lot of it and came down. And they said, if you are not saying the bad word, then you have to eat this, Tambram grapes. So, so I was forced to eat. So I ate quite a lot of them. And by God's grace, nothing happened to my stomach. And, it was, then, in the evening, again I was taken to a room where a lot of 4 or 5 guys were there. And, they were just then coming into that room, and they were just arranging their room. So they asked me to arrange for them. So I arranged it for them. Then they said, the usual thing, they said, you have to say some bad words. So I said, sorry, I cannot say, being a Christian. So they said, no, you have to say. And they had a lot of chilies, in a bottle with vinegar. I think they used to booze and then use it. So they asked me to, take it and eat it. So I was just swallowing everything. Then I said, they said, they hit at my neck and said, this is not meant for swallowing. You should chew it and eat it. So I started chewing, and, they were all yelling at me and shouting at me. At that time, one boy brought a shampoo, egg shampoo bottle, and then he poured it in the cap of it and said, if you are not, saying this word, then you have to drink this. What is your option? So before he could finish that, I took the lid and finished that shampoo. And he said, hey, what did you do? That was the time, I really wanted to cry, because the pressure was so much around me. And but by God's grace, they said, hey, go spit it out, man. Go spit it out. So I went out to spit. At that time, the senior most of Bishop Heber Hall, he is known as the Bishop of Bishop Heber Hall. So he happened to be there and said, Cecil, what are you doing over here? Then I said, sir, this is what they have done. And he asked me, do you remember your room? I said, yes, sir, it is 58. So you come along with me. So since he is the senior most, nobody could come near me now. And he took me to my room and taught me few things, what I have to do. Then, the very next day, I became very popular, and people started coming to my room and becoming very friendly. And, I was able to tell them it is all because of God's grace that I was able to withstand, and it is all by His grace. So I give all the glory to Jesus Christ.